So it's no longer news that Binance P2P has been blocked in Nigeria. Okay, so what I'm going to show you in this tutorial is how you can buy and sell your USDT on another very awesome P2P platform, which is Bybit. And Bybit P2P is a very beautiful platform, and it's, to me, it's arguably the best P2P trading platform that you can use. And luckily for us, NGN Naira is still listed on the Bybit P2P. So that's what I'm going to show you in this tutorial. Okay, but before I get started, I want to tell you that if you are not quite familiar with using P2P trading, because on P2P trading you have to be very smart and intelligent so you don't fall to scammers. So what I want to recommend for you is that if you don't want to use the P2P trading, you want to trade directly with a legit and reputable company to buy your USDT, then you can easily use our platform here. Our platform here is called soget.com, and soget.com is an exchange platform in Nigeria, and you can use soget.com to buy crypto like USDT, Bitcoin, Solana, and other digital currencies like Perfect Money, Deriv, even PayPal, AstroPay. So now if you want to use our platform soget.com to buy your USDT, it's very straightforward because we are a company. So you simply just have to come to this top here. You simply register an account on Soget. Alright, so you can see once you come here, you just simply create an account on Soget. So once you create your account on Soget, then you can then sign in to your Soget account and just simply place your order for USDT or any particular digital currency you want to buy, and your wallet or address will be credited instantly. Okay, so I'll just return back to the main topic of the tutorial. If you don't have an account on Bybit, all right, so you can just simply check the description part of this video. Just check the bottom, you see a link that you can click on the link to sign up on the Bybit platform. So once you've created your Bybit account, then you can even download the app. Okay, so once you've done that, then you for the first time usage, you need to verify your Bybit account by uploading your ID card and also verifying your identity. So once you've done that, then you can then use the platform to buy your USDT or to even sell your USDT on the P2P trading. And if you come to the asset side, you see that it's a funding wallet. Okay, so on the funding wallet I have $100, which is the wallet we use for our P2P trading. So I just go back to the home page. So if you see this button here, you see this more button here, just click on it. Okay, so it has loaded all the menu options. So if you come down a little bit, you see under here buy crypto, you see you have P2P trading. So just click on P2P trading. This is the P2P platform on the Bybit. Okay, by default you see mine is already on NGN, but if yours is not on NGN, you can click on this top right hand button here. So just select your currency. Okay, just select NGN from there, but mine is on NGN. So this is the buy section. So simply means that I want to buy USDT. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to buy USDT, and I'm also going to show you how to sell your USDT. So let's start with the buy aspect. All right, so this is the buy part here. So before I get started, I want to just give you some important precautions or consideration you must take. So if you want to trade on the P2P, make sure that you are trading inside the platform. Do not trade outside the platform, because a lot of scammers, that is one method they use to try to trick their victims. Do not chat with the trader that you guys should trade on WhatsApp or any other. Is not recommended. Okay, so now these are the various traders that you can trade, and the prices that you can use to buy your USDT are listed. So you can see the first trader, you can see the price is selling, and you can also do this filter. If I look at this top right hand side here, click on filter. Okay, so on the filter here you can select show only eligible ads. Okay, so there are some trades that you may not be able to trade. There are some traders that you may not be able to trade with them. So just show only eligible ads, and also you can also take show only verified advertisers. But for me, I always just leave on this show only eligible ads. So just click on the confirm button. Okay, now so you can see the filter has brought out only the eligible ads that I can trade on. Okay, now so you can see now this is the first trader, and you can see the price. So you must look at the limit. The limit is also very important. So this first trader now, I can only buy USDT of between 49,000 600 to 49. So you have to look at the limit. So depending on the amount you want to buy, but there are a lot of traders on the platform, so you don't have a problem. Also, it's also very necessary that you look at the reputation of the trader you are trading with before you trade. Okay, and then I don't recommend you trade with someone that has very low amount of orders on the platform. Like, look at this first trader, has just 15 orders, so he's still new. So I don't like trading with traders with very low amount of orders. Okay, you can look at if you look at the second one here, you see the price, you see the limit, and you can see the feedback score 92%. That's something else you need to consider. So traders with a very high feedback score, it's always good to trade with them. Okay, you can see this 385 orders. So I'll just simply look for a trade that I can just trade, just for this tutorial to just show you guys. Okay, I'll just scroll down a bit. Okay guys, so I've seen a trader here. You can see this trader, the limit is 20,000 to 148k, and he's done about 3,455 orders, and you can see the feedback score is 99%, very high. Okay, so once you are okay with any trader, just click on the buy button. Okay, so now before you place a trade or before you enter the amount of crypto you are buying, it's always necessary, or I advise that you read the terms of the trade, the trader, or the advertisement. So you can see that's just what's at the bottom here. It says no third party payment is allowed. Do not include crypto wallets in your bank transaction. So, because of the current government policy, you have to make sure that any transaction you are doing, do not type crypto related words so that you don't get your bank account blocked. Then do not use third party. Make sure that the money you are sending is coming from your own personal bank account. Don't use your friend's account, your sister or your brother's account. So once you are okay with the terms of the trade, then we just come here. Let's just enter the amount of, so let's say I enter 25,000 Naira. Remember, his limit is 20,000 Naira. Okay, so just enter. So you can see, so if I enter a trade of 25,000, I'm going to receive 16.88 USDT. So once I'm okay with all this, just click on the buy button. Okay, you can see now guys that the trade has been opened. Okay, so what I will do now at this stage is that if you click on the pay now button, you'll see the bank details of the trader. But I always like to be fast whenever I'm trading on the platform. So the first thing I do is that I just simply go to contact seller. You click on that contact seller button. I just simply message the trader. I just want to know if he's online. Alright, so you can see I've messaged the trader. I just ask him, hello, are you online? Alright, so he's yet to see the message. Alright, so once he sees the message, he's going to reply me, so that you're just going to be fast. Okay, he has read the message, just for you to be fast, so you don't send money and they delay in releasing your crypto. Okay, you can see he has replied us, that pay to Pampi. So I just go back. Alright, now just for me to make the payment. Okay, so if you click on this pay now button, you see the bank details of the trader. But for security reasons and to protect the account details of this trader, I'm just going to blur at this stage here. So I just click on the pay now button. Okay, so you can see I've seen the bank details of this trader. So you just simply copy the account number. Okay, I've copied the account number of this trader. Okay, so I'm going to send 25,000 Naira. So what you do at this point is you just simply go to your bank app. All right, so I'll just go to my bank app and I'll make the transfer of 25,000 Naira to his bank account. So I'll just do that. Okay guys, so I have made the payment. Okay, so once you've made the payment, then you just come back to your Bybit and just click on payment completed. Okay, so Bybit will ask you to confirm that yes, have you made the payment? So I've done that. Just select and click on confirm. Okay, so I've made the payment. So what this means now is that the USDT has been locked in the escrow. So the trader simply is going to be notified at this point by Bybit that I have made payment. So I have marked the order as completed. So he needs to just go to his bank or check his account and confirm that he has received the money that I sent. So okay, I can just simply go to the message and just tell him paid. Okay, so I just told him that I've made payment, so you can just see it. So once he confirms and he confirmed that he has received the money, it's just going to release the crypto to me, so I'll receive the money in my own Bybit wallet. So let's just hold on for some time for him to confirm the payment. Okay guys, so you can see I just got the notification completed. 16 USDT has been credited. Okay, so you click on done. All right, you can see the trade has been completed. Okay, so let me just view my asset. Okay, so if you remember guys, at the beginning of the tutorial, my balance was 100 US dollars. So now you can see that my balance now is 116. So this is just the straightforward procedure for you to buy USDT. Okay, now so let's just quickly sell our USDTs. Let me just show you how to sell a USDT on the Bybit platform. Okay, so just go back to the home page. So you can see this is the home page. So now let's say I want to sell my USDT. Just click on this small button as usual. Okay, so just click on this P2P trading. Okay, so now this time you come to this sell here. Just click on this sell side here. Okay, so as usual, also click on the filter button for you to show only eligible ads. Then click on confirm. Okay, so now this is the sell part. So what I need to do now is I need to just sell my USDT. So you simply see all the prices of the various advertisements and the traders. So I'll simply, but what you need to pay attention to is that most of the limits on the sell side, the limits are big. They are very big. So if you want to see the limits that can take, like, let's say $10, $20 worth of crypto, then you just simply, you scroll down to probably to like page 2 for you to start seeing smaller limits. It's just because of this tutorial, I just have to just use a small amount. So I'm just going to scroll down to see where we could sell like 20,000 Naira worth of USDT. Okay, so I'll just scroll down. All right. Also, when you are selling your crypto, pay attention to the feedback score and the number of orders that a trader has done. It's always good to trade with a trader with a large amount of orders. You get? Okay, so let's see scroll down. Okay guys, so I've seen a trader here. You can see Masters Exchange. You can see 11,500 orders. You can see, and the limit is 30,000 to 1 million Naira. So let me just click on sell here. So just for you to see the process, guys. If I want to sell here, you can see this is the terms. He said, I don't pay kobo. Please release as soon as you receive. Okay, fine. And you can see the payment duration 30 minutes, meaning that within 30 minutes it's going to pay my money. So let me just, so now this time I'll just simply go to with fiat. Okay, with fiat simply means just enter the amount of Naira you want to receive. So let me just take 30,000, or let me say I take 31,000 Naira. Okay, that's good. So if I'm going to sell 31,000 Naira worth of USDT, that means it's going to take me about 21.02 USDT. All right. So I'll just, okay. So payment method, bank transfer. Okay. So when you want to, if you are doing it for the first time, Bybit will ask you to save your bank details and your payment method. So I don't want to open it just for security reasons. So just simply click on the sell button here. Okay. So you can see the trade has been open. All right. So you can see of course I've blurred it. My bank details is there already, is displaying, but the trader will just see it. So as usual, I can also message the trader just to inform him so as not to delay. So I'll just message him. Okay, so I simply messaged the trader. I just sent my account details to him just for him to also see it. Though it's already in the order page, so you can also see it there. So just to be faster. So once the trader makes the payment, of course, you can see the timer. We have about 28 minutes. So of course, I'm going to just wait. And once the trader makes the payment, it's going to mark the order as paid. So I'll simply just have to check my account, and if I confirm that I received money. So guys, at this point, when you are trading, when you are selling your crypto, make sure that the name of the trader matches with the name of the bank account that you receive, just to be sure that you are receiving money from the actual person. Because some scammers are using the platform. They used to buy crypto with stolen funds. So that's why at the beginning I told you that if you want to trade and with a direct company with legitimacy and trust, you can use our company soget.com just to be on the safer side. All right, so I'll just wait for the trader. So once the trader makes the payment, then I'll just let you guys know. Okay guys, so the buyer has made the payment and he has marked the order as paid. Okay, and I just logged into my bank app now and I saw that the money has come in, and most importantly, the name on the payment exactly matches his name on the Bybit app here. So everything is confirmed and I received exactly 31,000 naira. So all is complete now. So what I just need to do now is to release the crypto to the buyer. So once I release, I'll just simply click on this release button here. Just click on it here. Okay. So Bybit is going to ask you are you very sure that you've checked your account statement that you received the money? Yes, I have confirmed I've received exactly 31,000 naira from this person. So like I said during the tutorial, do not receive money from third-party accounts. It's very dangerous. No matter how much the buyer convinces you, make sure that the buyer sends the money from his own personal bank account as verified on Bybit. So I've done those necessary checks. So I just tick this and I take this, all right? So I click on the release now button. Okay, then you click acknowledge. Okay, so I just simply use my Google Authenticator to authenticate the transaction. So I've entered it now. Just click on confirm. Okay, so you can see the system says completed. So the order has been fully completed and my crypto has been transferred to the buyer. So if I view my asset now, you can see my balance now is 95.87 USD. So guys, that is the full tutorial on how to buy and sell USDT on Bybit. Okay, so at this point, I want to ask if you want me to do a tutorial on any other P2P platform, you can let me know in the comment section. Okay, so apart from Bybit, there are other popular P2P trading platforms like I think we have CoinCola, we have Nuance, we have Passful. Okay, we also have some crypto exchanges like BitGet, Gate.io. So if you want me to do a tutorial on any of those platforms, please let me know in the comment section. And if I see substantial amount of comment on a particular platform, then I'll know that a lot of people want us to do a tutorial on that platform. So I'll just gladly do it. So thank you for your time, guys. I hope you got value from the tutorial. Please, if you do, please like the video, and most importantly, please subscribe to our channel here on Sugate. Click on the bell icon beside it when you subscribe, so that YouTube is going to alert you whenever we drop more tutorials like this in future. Thank you so much for your time, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.